September 17th, 2020, Fluency. Number 1, Amber bought a book for $5.49 and a game for $10.98. She paid with a $20 bill. How much change did Amber receive? So change, when you're getting money back, that means what? Oh, maybe we are going to end up subtracting. So there are a few different ways that you can go about this. One way is that you can add the two amounts that she did purchase up and then subtract it from the $20 bill. Or you can take that $20 and subtract each of these. What I'm going to show you is to add. You can do either way, it does not matter. I'm going to show you when you add these first two numbers up, because that's what she's buying, and then we'll subtract it from that $20. So when you are adding and subtracting decimals, line up your decimals. Woo, woo, woo. So make sure you're lining up your decimals, please. $5.49 plus $10. Notice how I'm placing the 10. We have 1 in the tens place. $10.98. We are adding those. So when we add them, we have 9 plus 8 is going to be 17. 9 plus 4 is 13. Plus 1 is going to be 14. Drop that decimal. Woohoo! 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. So she spent $16.47. That was her total. Assuming there's no tax, of course. I know some of you are probably asking, why is there not tax included? This must be a tax-free place that she went to. Let's all go. Amber can treat. All right, now we are going to see how much change she'll receive. So we are going to subtract. Woohoo! We'll do it in red. So when we take $20, now $20, you can write it as with your decimal as 0.00 or $20 and 0 hundredths, because there are two places after the decimal here. Then remember, we need to line up our decimals. So you can add in our placeholder zeros there. We are going to subtract because we need to know how much change she is going to get. Now, can you do 0 minus 7? No, we cannot. 0, can we borrow from this 0? No. Can we borrow from this 0? No. So we're going to have to borrow all the way from this 2. This 2 becomes a 1 to make this 0 a 10. Now we can borrow from this 10 to make this 10 a 9, to make this 0 a 10. Now we can borrow from our neighbor to make this 10 a 9, and this becomes a 10. So that is why those will become 9s, and then this will become a 10. Again, as we reviewed in the previous fluencies, sometimes we don't understand why they're just a 9. It's because we're borrowing for each place we're moving over. Now we can do 10 minus 7, which is going to be 3. 9 minus 4 is going to be 5. What do we do with that decimal? Drop it down. Woohoo! 9 minus 6 is going to be 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. So how much change did she receive? $3.53. So the change is going to be $3.53. You can either highlight your answer, write that it's the answer, however you want to do it. Make sure you have that down, and that will be the change that she receives.